Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing this ZEELOOL eyeglasses, and I ordered two different ones. I ordered this. It has my prescription on it, so I'll be reviewing this. And this I got for a giveaway. So if you want to participate, wait till the end of this video. I will mention the rules on how you can win these glasses. So right to this one. This is the prescription I got. This is an online store where you can send in your prescription and they will fill your prescription to the glasses. So I ordered 4 different pairs, and I'll be looking at it for the first time to see the fitting with you guys. So this is the first glasses. Let me take out this one that I have. So this is the first glasses. It comes with this the film, so I'll be taking it out. These glasses have my prescription, but the other one that I was going to give away doesn't have any prescription on it, so you can always take it to your doctor to add prescription if you wear glasses. So this is the fit of this one. It's really nice, and I can see with it. So this is the first one. Okay, so moving on, the second one that I got is this one. Let me show you. This is the second one. It comes with this case, and also it came with this I think it's a cloth that you can use to clean the glasses. It's microfiber cloth, and it also comes with this. This is just to protect the lens. I'll be taking it out to see the fitting. This one is called Claire. The name is Claire. I will be inserting the names of each of the glasses as I review it. This is the second one. I think I still like the first one better than this one. This one is really nice too. I'm going to move to the third one. So this is the third one I ordered. It comes with this sunglasses case, cloth case, and it also comes with this microfiber cloth for cleaning the lens, and also it comes with this. Taking this one out too. This is the third one. Really nice. This one has like the cat shape. So this is the third one. And some of the ones I ordered, I don't want to open it up because it's a giveaway. But I'll be showing the two that are similar to it. And this is the last one. It also came with the case and the cloth. And so this one is one of the one in the giveaway. It has a champagne color. And also in the bag, it came with this, it came with the prescription. And also it comes with this ruler. I think it's used to measure. So for next time I will know to use this ruler to measure. This is the end of this video for the ZEELOOL prescription sunglasses. And now we will go over to the, this looks really good. Go over to the giveaway. So for the giveaway, I also ordered this. It's 4 in them. I was just wondering, I'm still debating if I should give out 3 or 4 of them, but this is the case it come with. All of them, there's no prescription on this one, so you can put your prescription if you use prescription. If not, you can just use it as a fashion glasses like this one. So I have rules for you to be able to participate and win this giveaway. I'll be listing the rules on the description box, but some of it is just you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle down. Also, you have to follow me on Facebook. I'll also put the handle down on the description. So another rule, the 4th one, is that you have to like and comment on this video so I'll know you watched it. And the 5th rule is that you have to share my video on your channel. So you have to share my videos so people can come and participate too if they want to win. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment below and I'll respond to it. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and good luck on winning those classes. Thank you.
It's my only solution.